So what does a notification look like? Well, we don't have any organically created for us, and we don't have any fields yet set to notify, but let's go and create one. And to do that, we go to Time Machine. We'll notice on the left here, this is where we have our group hierarchy, lists, and again, this is based on the premise that you have already set up your account in Map Center. You'll have your group hierarchy on the left and all of the fields associated with each group. And when we select on one, we will see the region and field information on the right. Note that if you are using Firefox, the previews on the left will not render. Otherwise, you should be good to go. Outside of that, once we find the fields that we're interested in finding new imagery for, or imagery that has been archived, let's say for instance, I want to go and look for this field. I want to see new imagery available. I will click on the green check mark if I have a selection made. I will choose the image date range that I'm interested in and the scene sources. In this case, I'm going to go all satellites. Let's go ahead and run Time Machine. So what it's going to do is it's going to ask Satshot, hey, for this field selected, give me all imagery going back to June 1, 2014 through today. Give me all sources of data. And what you'll notice here is it brings you back to the notification panel on the front page. How do we know that? Because of this little icon right here. You'll notice in this menu that we have an icon next to each section. This will determine what part of the iCue manager you are in. We bring you back to the notification panel after a Time Machine is run, because this is where we will receive that notification. And once the notification has finished compiling, it will do two things. It will return in the list here, and it will also deliver an email to your account. And I will show you what that looks like in a moment.